Did you know that there's no such thing as a job too small for shop drawings, even on a budget? A lot of glazing contractors skip the shop drawings because they think they're either too expensive or overkill, or maybe just not worth the hassle. But the truth is, shop drawings come in many different levels, and the only difference is how much information you want to include. The first level, Quick Draw, gives you the essentials. Same storefront, same system, just the key dimensions and information that you need for the system. It's fast, it's simple, it's cost-effective when you just need accuracy and clarity. The second level is more detailed than the first one. It's the exact same job, but now we're adding surrounding conditions, more dimensions, and attachment information. So there's less guessing during install, and it makes the day of a lot easier. And lastly, the third level. At this level, the shop drawings are coordinated with the contractor, architect, the engineer, and the glazer to plan everything, from membrane locations to anchors to expansion and deflection issues, which is why you're seeing a head receptor in this one. This is the highest level of coordination and typical of a design assist project. If you want to learn more about the different shop drawing levels, make sure you check out the link in the description for MP Drafting's website. And as usual, to learn more about glass, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe buttons here at the bottom. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.